We're getting ready to head out to Aiken State Park. We're gonna go to Eudora Farms drive-through safari. We're really looking forward to that. All right, let's get ready. Come join us. Packed up. All right, I think we're packed up and ready to go. So let's hop in the Jeep. We'll get out of here. So I'm trying to do a better job of saying what we're gonna do and then doing it. Well, I just stopped off to get the mail and then got back in the vehicle. I told Rosemary that now I wish I hadn't checked it because it's just junk mail. So now I've got to find a place to go throw it away. Mommy, you want to give us a weather report?
Should be a pretty job. And it's a nice sunny fall day.
We got the full crew with us today. We got Daddy, Mommy, Jackson, and baby Hazel. And we're going to meet Gigi and Papa. If we can ever get pulled out of our neighborhood. It's the worst, right?
If you are South Carolina Department of Transportation and you're watching this video, please give us a traffic light ASAP.
We just got a call from Aiken State Park. Originally we had booked sites 14 and 19. She had another site available. We are now 14 and 15. We are side by side.
Oh, yay.
Isn't that wonderful?
Awesome. That is wonderful. Perfect.
I mean, not that we had to be too worried about it, but I thought that would be
so
good
much
news.
better. Yeah, very good news. Excellent. Well, that was very nice of them.
Yeah. Well, I asked. I said, if you have one available or cancellation or whatever, would you just give me a call back? And she said, I think we might actually have one right now. Could you check on that for me? So we're
Great.
14 and 15, side by side.
All right. Sounds good.
Sounds good.
They also gave us the gate code.
They gave us the gate code too, so just call us if you need that, I guess.
Sounds good. Thank you.
All right. Bye, G.
Bye.
Treesies doesn't look like much from the outside, but the pictures look delicious. Off Highway 321. Let's go get some lunch. I haven't gotten to eat mine yet. Been holding Hazel. Delicious fries. All right, Jackson, ready to hit it? Yeah! All right, thank you so much. You have a blessed day. You too. All right, it is pronounced Tracy's. Figured that out. And that was unless you've got a big appetite, I don't recommend getting a double cheeseburger. That was huge. I could not eat the whole thing, but it was delicious. All right, let's get back on the road.
Hey. You ready to get there? So excited. Yeah.
This video is sponsored by my day job. If you'd rather sponsor my video, reach out in the link in the description.
Look, Jackson.
Your obligatory Aiken State Park entrance sign video there. All right, we're here. We're gonna go check in at the office and get a park map, so we know where we're going. You know there's other people around, but I'm gonna be honest, right now it feels like we're the only ones here. Can't even hear another car. Oh, I missed the sign a second ago. It said campground, but it didn't have arrows. And I was like, all right, maybe we're entering the campground. And we did not enter the campground. You have to turn. You have to turn where it says, where there's a sign. Thankfully, I saw that G and Pa had already pulled in, so that clued me into that we were driving right by it. She said when she called me earlier to check him at the park office between 4 and 5. So we'll do that.
That's cute.
Look at that little happy camper.
Jackson, look at that. Oh, that is...
All right, we made it. Aiken State Park. We have not been camping since January or February, I think it was. And this is my first setup in a while. Oh, and I forgot to say, GM Power here with us. So this is their new Geo Pro. Sweet camp setup here.
Yeah.
It's great. And we got side-by-side campsites. Let's get set up. This is what it's all about. You work hard, you save up, you build out your rig, and you do it all for these moments. This is Hazel's first time camping. I mean, we've done plenty of traveling, but this is different. This is a real deal, sleeping under the stars kind of night for us, and it feels good. The girls are gonna snuggle up inside the trailer while Jackson and I have our cots set up in the awning. We've got the chairs set around the fire, the travel day behind us, and a new adventure waiting for us in the morning. A drive-through safari at Eudora Farms. Just thinking about the look on Hazel and Jackson's face when she sees those animals, this is why we do it, and so should you. It's easy to get caught up in the details, the gear and the plans, but when you get right down to it, it's about sharing these simple, incredible moments with the people you love. That's the treasure we're really chasing out here. Finally got set up, looking good. Jackson's eating a little snack, and Papa's cooking dinner over here. Let's go see what he's cooking. What are we having, Papa?
We are having stir-fry rice, onions, zucchini, and New York strip. Cook the onions first, because I like them to get blackened pretty good. And then
Badayas?
Yeah, badayas. And then I seared the steak, and I'm letting them cook on low temperature around the edge, low and slow, to get good and tender. And as soon as I finish this zucchini, which is almost done, I slide them over to the side with the onion and bring the steak back down for a little bit, and then pull the steak back up, and then I'm going to stir fry the rice, and the meal is complete.
We both got a fire disc a couple years ago, similar to like a wok. I know a lot of overlanders, campers do the scuttle thing. I like this better because it's got the rim on it, so I don't have to worry about throwing my food off the edge. It is very deep. I've got a grate that goes in the bottom. Put that grate in, fill it up with water, and then you can steam in it. So we do low country boil, all that kind of stuff in the fire disc as well. All kinds of cooking, and it's especially good for what we're cooking today.
And then I steam with the lid on, hold in the heat if I want to.
That's great. I haven't talked about the fire disc on this channel yet, but I really love this thing. All right, what do we add on there?
I wish I had a couple of eggs, but I don't. But
I've got eggs.
Well, you have to get them.
All right, let me go grab them. All right, we got Papa's couple eggs. Scramble those in with the rice. Let's go eat some dinner. It's amazing how a simple meal can taste so much better out here. We always joke that we eat better camping than we do at home, and I'm convinced it's because of the campfire, the crackling wood, the cool night air, and the people we share it with. Everything just feels a little more alive. Your senses are on high alert, and every bite is a little more savory, a little more satisfying. You could tell everyone loved dinner tonight, but nobody more than Hazel. She was doing her little happy dance in her chair. We'd probably be perfectly happy to come out here and camp, just to eat.
Gee, why do you have that little smugger bird? Is that boy bird?
No, it's not. You want it to get a little brown, bud. Ideally.
Is it finished there? But it's starting to get brown.
It's getting a little better, yeah. You can go ahead and try it and see if you like it. We got plenty of time.
Give me just a minute. Let me clean up my cookies.
I'm going to be in a hurry. We're going to be in a hurry. Oh, I hope those raccoons are in a hurry. They probably are in a hurry to get some of us.
It's the simplest moments, the ones you share around the fire, that end up being the most memorable. Ooh. Jiffy Pop, the magic treat. As much fun to make as it is to eat. Thank you so much for watching. We've got a lot more adventure coming up, so hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next episode. We're going to see all the animals at Eudora Farms, and we'll see if we're brave enough to feed the ostriches. Spoiler, we aren't.